Guys, just when I thought ramen review was over, actually I thought it was over for a while now, because we ran out of places to go to, but Taishoken, I believe this is a recent opening, like last year maybe. They have something called a home meal tsukemen kit, and if you don't know what tsukemen is, it's like ramen. Okay, so like, my mom, she was doing some exercise. She was like, and then I was gonna take a video of it, but like, I just took my phone. And the music was like really, really loud, right? Without the headphones on, just blasting in the room. Anyway, basically, if you don't know what tsukemen is, it's ramen, but the soup is not with the noodles. It's dipped in ramen. So basically, it's a type of ramen in Japan where you take the noodles and then you dip it in the sauce and then you eat it. We got it here. Let's go ahead and crack it open. Don't run with knives. Ooh. We also got some cookies, which is very nice. Okay. Whoa, look at this. When you open it, it gives you a little sheet right here, and it tells you to prep, heat broth, cook noodles, dip and enjoy. And I guess it's in San Mateo. It contains buckwheat, guys, so just keep that in mind. But yeah, so inside the care package, we get 4 packets. Wow. This is the broth. I assume you just have to boil it. And then you just got a big pile of noodles, which looks very, very good. But yeah, you just boil the noodles, and then you basically just take them out of the water, heat up the sauce, and you dip in the sauce, I assume. We'll give a taste test in a bit, but I've got to have some cookies. Wait, what's semi? Let's try a semi. Are you sure those aren't nuts? Are you sure those look awfully like nuts? They're not, right? It has to be a nut, sorry. It's okay. My dad almost killed me. That's no biggie. Ooh. It's a bit of yuzu, I think, which is like this Japanese citrus. Very slippery. Oh, there we go. Let's give it a go. It's quite good, actually. It's pretty similar to what I remember when we went there in person. 4 of these servings are 4 packets for $30 US. So I don't know, you can decide for yourself if that's worth it or not, but I think that's quite worth it because there's not a lot of stuff to eat at home. I don't really know what to compare this to because I have not had tsukemen on the ramen review, but I would have to give this a solid 8.75 out of 10 because first of all, it's really well prepared. The packaging looks fantastic. The noodles and the sauce packets are separated nicely. It tastes really good. It tastes just like the restaurant as I remember it. And yeah, it's honestly just really quite good. Tsukemen is also pretty rich, so you don't want to be just drinking the soup. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Let me know. Obviously I haven't done a ramen review in a very long time and I kind of forgot what I say in each episode, but if you have any questions or comments about the video or just about Taishoken takeout in general, I would love to answer them in the comment section down below. So leave your questions down there, and with that said, I'll see you next time on Boss With. It's a good cup.